everyone, my name is Nur Luluk Maghfiroh. Today I will invite you to make my favorite food, and it only requires 2 ingredients. Let's go! And here are the ingredients. We only need Lemonilo noodles and milk. Let's go to the manufacturing process. Let's go, guys. We wait until the water blub 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 blub. And when the water boils, we put in the noodles. Okay, guys. First of all, we boil the noodle first. Okay. Until it is a little soft, maybe. Okay. Then I think enough, guys. Okay. And we drain it. Okay. And the next steps is to boil it again, but with milk. We cook it on low heat so it doesn't burn. Okay, guys. Oh my god, I forget. Or add the spices. Okay, guys. Mix the noodles into the seasoning. Okay. Stir until the mix. Okay. And done. Don't judge by cover, guys. Even though it feels like this, it's still number one. I promise. Really, guys. And let's try. Oh my god. So creamy. And that's little tutorial on making my favorite food, and I hope you like it, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.